Hi, good evening. This is Ginger Garvey, and this is going to be a very quick lesson. It's just an overview of the credit system with the U.S. and personal income tax. So we're dealing with the 1040 form at this point. And I just wanted to kick off this series. This series is going to be on the various credits. And we're going to start with a credit overview, which is this class, and then it'll follow with the child tax credit, child and dependent care credit, earned income credit, additional child tax credit, education credits, and the retirement savings contribution credits. We made the decision to break these up so that the videos would not be quite so long. So looking at the tax credits, the big thing that we want to do at the end of this particular session is to understand what a tax credit is and to be able to explain the difference between a non-refundable and a refundable credit. And we will also be working with kicking off the various credits that we'll be reviewing in the other sessions. So the first thing is a tax credit actually takes money off of the taxes that you owe. So where the deductions reduce the amount of money that the tax is calculated on, tax credits actually are used to pay or offset the taxes that are owed. And there are two types of credits. The first one being non-refundable credits. And your non-refundable credits can actually reduce your tax liability to zero. There are also refundable credits, and the refundable credits can actually result in a refund even if there were no taxes owed, and in many cases, even if there were no taxes withheld. So the two sections, you can see here, this section up front is where the non-refundable credits are listed, and they can reduce the tax liability to zero. And then down here in the bottom section is where the refundable credits are, and they can result in a refund even if no taxes are owed. So looking at the non-refundable credits include a foreign tax credit, which could appear on your 1099 DIV or K-1s where there is some investment and foreign taxes were paid. Line 49 is where we'll calculate the credit for child and dependent care expenses. The education credits, there are both non-refundable and refundable portions of the education credit, especially the American Opportunity Credit, and the non-refundable portion is shown here on line 50. We're also going to be reviewing the retirement savings contribution credit and the child tax credit. We will not be going into depth with the residential energy credits in this particular series. That's more of an advanced topic. The next one is the refundable credits. Refundable credits include the earned income credit, additional child tax credit, the American Opportunity Credit. There could be a net premium tax credit that will not be reviewed in this particular series, as well as there's additional payments that can be included in this section of the 1040. You can see there's also additional credits that are reserved down here on line 79. So again, looking at the 1040, you're going to find your non-refundable credits listed up front and your refundable credits listed as payments. So they actually go into your account as if they were a payment into your tax account. This information all came from a publication 17, and there will be additional topics on credits in the next video. Thank you. Please feel free to like and share.